Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a pre-primed dry black 16 by 20 inch canvas and an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula available on my Amazon link. And I have some Anita's white metallic that I wasn't really intending on doing that with, but it's there now, so. And I did want it offset, that's why I went ahead and changed it as you were watching me start. Because I didn't want it the same, whoops. Okay, I just broke that pair of shorts in. I was not supposed to do what I just did. Okay, never mind. So, now, let's get back to the chore at hand. I'm going to use my regular black mixture of Artist Loft to add a layer of wet paint that's going to facilitate other paint to move. And it spreads very nicely with my OXO omelet turning spatula. I wish my bottles were not quite as in the way as they are. I am going to use whatever colors inspire me, and I'm going to swipe in both directions, I believe. And I'm not sure what kind of swipe tool I'm going to use yet, but I have a pile of them, so something's bound to be handy. I'm just going to wipe my spatula off along the edge. I do have a scrape dish handy and ready. And I have enough extra paint so that I could steal a little bit and put it on that edge. Okay, so I have some hot orchid from Color Art that I have aberrated with regular pouring mixture, and it's probably not that good a thing, but I also have some that I've added water to, and I want to see if I can make them work together. Not that I can, but if I'm quick enough, because the unadulterated, the stuff with just the water in it is really dries fast. I'm going to use some Meeden black. I'm going to use my purple flash from Folk Art, which is color shifting. I'm going to use my turquoise flash from Folk Art. I'll get my straw out of the way. I'm going to use some gold. Decor Americana gold. I feel like using silver on the other side. I want some blue, but the blue is going to have to go on top of the Meeden. Where's the Meeden? And my blue is the Venetian blue. But I'm inclined to mix other colors with it at this point that I may or may not be happy about. We'll see. I've got some more of that dark. I want dark turquoise. Where'd it go? There it is. Actually, I think the Chrysocolla would be nice. And that's another prism pour. It's very green, even though it looks kind of turquoise coming out. So, let's just have some fun. I want a spatula swipe, I really do. Let me grab something. Okay. Let me get some bottles out of the way so I can actually rotate this turntable, which is so sorry. That's a nice painting right like it is. I'm all done. Okay. Let's grab some of that black. Go up with it. And use the residuals on the edge that's not covered yet. Now I want to find out what that hot orchid, they just won't get out of the way. Will do. is going to be very abstract, I can tell you now. I like crossing my swipes over. I think I want some of that pink right in there. Not sure why. Part of my shirt is getting caught on my turntable. I love the gold little tendrils. So let's do some more of that. Clean off my card on the edge, thereby covering it also. Just running the very tip of my acetate card right through that paint. It's pretty cool. I want some more white. I think I'm going to grab the Meeden white this time though. I might want a much smaller card. Let's see if I can lay my hands on one. Yes. Really tempted to put some white in there. So far so good. Where's my blue? I'm being called to blue. Where's my straw? I keep letting it get in my way. Now usually the Meeden won't allow things to sink that usually sink, but I don't think that there's really enough in there to count on that at this point. But I do see things I like. And I think I'm going to want some more of them. Not sure about the rest of this. Where'd my card go? I love that black and white up there. Just using the card to push whole entire sections of color aside. And I think I'm going to let that drip right down there. And use the residuals. It's a wild, spacey whatever it is. I'm not sure what it is. I want some more of that turquoise. Right there. I have to look and see, where's my gold? Where's my white metallic? Now I could certainly use the airbrush in there. Just using the very tip of my acetate card to add some of that white in there, and I like it. I'm probably just going to keep composing until I feel like I'm happy what I've got. I'm sure not unhappy. Just breaking up the paint just a little bit. Letting it drag. Wondering what else I might want to do. Thinking that I would love some of that turquoise. Just going to knock off all the color that's on the edge of my card, on the edge of the canvas. That's pretty bizarre. And it might be almost done, except for that dark spot right in the middle. I don't mind that waggle. I'm probably going to do it again. Add some odd shapes. Yeah, I like that. Don't have to do much. The tip of the card does most of the work for you. Just add some texture. Wondering if I might want some black. Just because I can. That's the name of my first book. It's on the Amazon link, under the link tree, on the link tree under the video. That was risky, but I kind of want some more lighter. Well, I like it so much I just want more. I don't know how many more I'll do. There's a lot of composing going on here today. I think I'm almost done. You know, you've heard that before. So I should tell you guys whatever I'm used to, whatever I usually tell you, which is I have over 91,000, going on 92,000 subscribers at this point. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, thanks for still being here. Really appreciate that. I've got pretty pink hot orchid paint on my card, so I want more of that blue. I don't know if I can keep it, but I want it. This is a wild one. I wish I could keep that blue. I wish I had a bigger table. Alright, so this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, creating something wild and kind of magnificent, and I'm not entirely sure I'm done. But I better stop soon because it's probably enough is enough sort of thing. I'm not sure, that might have been one too many things. Where's my white metallic? Okay, I've used up all my time and I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm going to tell you guys I do sell my artwork, and you can find, if you can find the hashtag and the number in the title, you can use the email address below the video to contact me and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If you guys have questions for me, feel free to ask me. I'm happy to answer your questions. Yeah, I know. It's all over the place, but I like it. It's pretty wild. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm going to tell you guys that there is a monthly drawing. And you can see what the prizes are on the exhibition video on the end screens of any video, shown on the last 20 seconds of any video. If you shop my Amazon link, you help me out. If you give me a thumbs up, you help me out. If you give me a nice comment, you cheer me up. I really appreciate you guys lifting my spirits with your wonderful appreciation. Thank you so much. This is a wild one. I just keep wondering what it is I'm missing. And I like the marks so much that I just can't seem to stop myself. Just break up the line with the tip. Alright, so this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying thank you for being here. If you're newly subscribed, welcome. If you're not, thank you again. I think I just repeated myself, but I'm very distracted and I had a really good time. Thank you for coming. Thank you for all of the donations that helped keep me painting all this time. I really appreciate them. And look for PayPal and Patreon icons. PayPal is my preference on the YouTube channel banner on the bottom right hand corner. And look for the Linktree links to PayPal. PayPal. And Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest are all on the Linktree, along with my website and my new blog, brand new blog. Just started today, actually. What else can I tell you guys? I have over 1,800 videos. I'm going to try and... I should torch that in case we get some more cells. That was a lot of fun to do. Probably I could have used a whole lot more Meeden paint, and if I had, I would have gotten a whole lot more cells. The cells are beautiful. There just aren't that many of them because I just didn't use that much Meeden paint. The colors are great though. I'm really happy with my colors. I might be tempted to blow a few things around. Like that right there, or even add a few spirals, just gentle spirals.